Yo, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the channel. Yes, the sun is in my face, but it's still a beautiful day in Arizona, man, because they building houses and we finally got the keys to our house, man. Yes, today is the home acceptance day that we got the keys. So now I know you guys been with me from the ground up, like seeing everything, man, literally from the ground up, from the foundation to the framework and everything. So now we are officially here. So I'm about to turn around and give you guys the final result of what our house looked like. And here it goes. This is what the house looked like, man. Very excited and everything. We bagged in because we have some stuff that we brought with us because we know he's going to walk in. But this is the exterior of the house. I'm just going to walk with you guys, just a little basic of the exterior of the house real quick. My boys are sitting in there, but yeah, this is the finishing results with the stucco. We got the outside with these little, I don't know, wife call them pimples, but that's what it is. Yeah, that's our sales consultant there, which she's showing people the new home. So that's pretty nice. She's pretty cool, man. Shout out to Chris Blair. That's her name, Chris. So yeah, this is our irrigation setup, which is very nice. Our irrigation setup, they get water all the time based on that little guy there. All our appliances and stuff on this side, which is nice. But yeah, so y'all seen the garage, but I'm going to show you guys it anyway. Like, I got my man rack here to add more storage, which I'm happy about. But this is the finishing results of the garage. This garage is pretty much going to stay like this until I come with like some texture to put on the walls, and then however I want to design it. I do have traverse lights up here, so that's going to be bright, keep it bright in here, so that's nice. But then I'm gonna just walk you guys through like the front. So exterior same all the way through with a nice little hint of brown with the green door. We decided to do the green door instead of the brown, like our neighbors here, so they can bring it out. So that is nice. Standard doorbell, but it's gonna be changing, of course. Outlet right there, so that's nice. So even though you guys have been here before and seen it from the ground up, I feel like it's gonna be nice and refreshing to like give you the view coming in as y'all coming through with me, even though it's gonna be my second time officially walking in through here with the key. But now it's time to walk you guys all the way in here. Excuse the, it feel like home already with my kids up here putting their toys and stuff. But yes, this is the finishing results of the house. Lights is on, but yeah, check it out. It was well lit in here. These are the nice fixtures walking through here. Closet, half bath, so nothing special there, but it's there for my guests to walk in. Then we come into the house. Look at the tile, man. Well, that's exactly what we wanted, like the tile and then the granite. Look, there go wifey right there. Say hi. She and her favorite part of the household, I think, but let's ask her what you think. Which house is the favorite part of the household? Is it the kitchen? Is it the upstairs, the master bedroom? Where?
Kitchen.
She like the kitchen. What you like about the kitchen so far? Since you done built it from the ground up, what's your favorite part?
I like this.
She like that part of the kitchen? Okay.
And my countertop.
Okay, she like her countertops. Okay.
You know that good granite.
Yeah, but we don't take nothing for granted in life except for the countertops. You know, so we didn't show y'all this process here because we've been extremely busy. I'm not gonna lie, man, so I'm sorry to get to show y'all that, like picking it out, but this it is what we decided to get. This is the design of it. So it's nice. There, all the new appliances. I like this, my special part though, like my boys right here. They're having a good time in the house already, so that makes me feel good about my decision. But I'm gonna give y'all like a clear view, like a B-roll of the house, like when it's all clean. So I guess I'll just do that like right now. So y'all back here. So yeah, as we slowly getting stuff in. This is not everything, of course, but we slowly getting stuff in. This is our backyard. So backyard has been done. At this point, we blue taped this because these cracks shouldn't be there. So as y'all know, if y'all building a home from the ground up, not everything is gonna be perfect, but it's gonna be as close to perfect as possible because, you know, we're man-made, we're human. So this right here is not part of the foundation, but they're going to like cool deck this and make sure that it doesn't do this again in the future or cause any moisture or things like that. My backyard is somewhat, what should I say? It's somewhat at an incline. So if it rains here, the water can flow. As y'all can see, like right here, they got it where it like kind of flow out there, and then I got a gate on another side. So backyard, to give y'all like an idea how big my backyard is. My backyard from this window here, from the sliding door all the way back, is about it is 45, 50 foot. If I'm drawing a blank on it, like 50, it's not inches, so yeah, it's about 45 to 50 foot backyard. I don't know the width here, so that's how big it is. And then we have our gate here, so that is that. But we're gonna add on to this backyard too a little bit. Like we're still discussing, like we're gonna put turf here, and then put like a pool here, and then like a probably, I don't know what it'll be, like a hot tub here, or we're gonna do like a gazebo. We're still thinking about that. But this is the final results. I just wanted it like that, so you know I don't have to pay for the landscaper. And plus, I'm not gonna lie, like landscaping through them is pretty much expensive. I'm not gonna lie, like landscaping is probably about like 15 to 10 grand just for like the basics. So I figured I'd just do it my own way. So Asher, what you think about the house? Do you like the house? Noah, do you like the house? What you think about it? I guess they like it because they playing around. Here we got the carpet, nice LED lights all the way throughout here. Should be bright. Yeah, there we go. So we just walking. Give y'all a quick rundown. And as we at the top here, we still have the views on views, man. This is the best part I like about the house, just leaving out seeing views, and then the hallway, I had the views. But my boys, they still had a nice little den. I'm just so happy, man, so happy. The nice little room here, views on views everywhere. So this is nice looking at that view. To the right, looking at that view. We got a good spot because those houses back there on the back end, like those lots average between about 25 to 40,000 just to be on the back part and get closer to the mountain. But I feel like where we at, excuse me, run out of breath, we got the nice spot, the best spot here. So that's what I like about it. You know, his and hers, Romeo and Juliet. Yeah, Romeo and Juliet style of bathroom, walk-in closet. I think even though wifey loves saying that she liked the kitchen, I think this closet is gonna be her favorite spot. And then also just the different angles. Like here, this is our view outside too. When I said just the views on views with the nice train. Like that is just nice, man. I just like it. Then bathroom, pretty much the same as y'all seen before. So we got the bathroom. We got my boys' room, which is all done with the carpet and stuff. Not gonna go in there until we get everything. This is you know, just a washer dryer room. Very excited about that. And then this the room that y'all pretty much gonna be seeing a lot. This is just the YouTube room, as I like to call it. So y'all gonna be seeing the background gonna be changing a lot. As y'all like the new style of videos, y'all let me know. Y'all let me know too. Like, do y'all like the style of videos I've been doing lately? Like with the blue in the background, talking at the desk and stuff like that. New editing, cause that's what I've been working on. Doing them type of style of videos. So it's not always so centered around a Camaro and all of that stuff. And I feel like the stage where it's at, I feel like I'm pretty much done. I don't think there's nothing more I'm gonna really add to it, but I feel like it just to do more topics. I can just crank out more videos more. So y'all let me know what y'all think there. But this is it. This is like my YouTube room or headquarters. So it's nice that I finally have a dedicated setup. So yeah, that's pretty much it of the whole house. Like, giving y'all the full house tour of the new Bluprint headquarters, man, because I feel like I'm obligated, not really obligated, but I'm obligated to show you guys like the house, the finishing results, what me and wifey has them picked up from everything from a sheet of paper to the finishing results, man. And hopefully this is like motivational for you guys, because not too many people is blessed to get a chance to even own a house or get a chance to buy a house or anything like that. Some people just be used to staying in an apartment life for a very long time. So hopefully this is motivational, saying that, you know, you can do it if you get everything in order, get your ducks in a row, keep a good credit score, man. Save some money, man, because I know I'm modding the cars and all that, but I'm not a life that I can mod the cars. You all do not mod your cars, you don't have to. Do not even get a new car, you know, ride new and use for a while. Because y'all know when I had my, before I got my Camaro, and that's my second one that I modded, you know, I'm just blessed to say that I had to do a lot of stuff in the background before y'all see it on YouTube, because everybody like to show on YouTube that, you know, oh, I got this and I'm doing that, I'm balling, I'm fancy and all that, but they don't really show y'all the groundwork. They don't show y'all the process. And this is the process here, man, just with this house. And I'm just blessed to show you guys every step of the way, because I don't feel like a lot of YouTubers shows that. And I feel like I'm more relatable. Like, a lot of people just jump and feel like, oh yeah, I started from the trailer park and I'm in the mansion. Like, come on now, let's keep it real. And that's what this is about. And I'm glad to like share with that this experience with you guys, man. Especially me being a single guy that's now, you know, have a wife and kids, man. It's just blessed to be here, man. I'm blessed to show you that, especially coming from Michigan, and coming to a whole nother state and making it happen, you know. So like that, man, that is actually gonna wrap this video up, man. So if y'all like this video, y'all know what to do. Hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.